Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making wood-fired Wagyu Tomahawk Steak with potatoes on the Pits and Spits Ultimate Smoker. So the first thing that we have to do is get the Pits and Spits Smoker ready. So here's how we do that. We're gonna add a couple of sticks of post oak to the burn chamber, and then we're gonna light it on fire using the propane starter. We're aiming for a temperature between 225 and 250 degrees. Now when the smoker is slowly heating up, it's time to prepare the potatoes, and here's how we do that. We're gonna cut a couple of creamer potatoes into smaller pieces, and then we're gonna toss them with a little bit of olive oil. We also wanna add some minced garlic and stir. And last but not least, we're gonna season them with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. The potatoes are now ready, so let's season the beautiful Wagyu Tomahawk Steak. And we got an Australian Wagyu Tomahawk Steak, and we're gonna season it lightly first with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost on both sides. And then we also wanna season it lightly with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost on both sides. The potatoes are ready, the tomahawk steak is seasoned, and the smoker is sitting at 250 degrees, so let's get to smoking. We're gonna put the potatoes on the lower rack, and we're gonna place the tomahawk steak on top. By doing that, the fat from the tomahawk will drip down and infuse the potatoes with even more flavor. So now we're gonna let the smoker do its thing, so it's basically just one thing that we can do. Light up as a nice cigar, open up a cold beer, and wait for a couple of hours. Life is pretty good. Now we can relax a little bit and just focus on keeping the temperature steady and a good fire going. Halfway through the cook, we want to add a stick of butter to the potatoes as well, and we also want to flip over the tomahawk steak. It's been about 2 hours. We removed the potatoes. The Wagyu is sitting at 110, 115 degrees. So now it's time to set up the Pits and Spits for searing. So here's how we do that. Now we want to open the lid on the burn chamber, and we're going to remove the grill grate. Then we're going to remove the heat plate, add a log of post oak, and then we want to replace the grill grate. Then we're going to add a cast iron pan and add the potatoes to the pan. You want to crisp up the potatoes, then we're also going to place the tomahawk steak on the grates. Now you want to reverse sear this quickly until you get a good sear on both sides. And when the potatoes are crisp and you have a good sear on the tomahawk, it's time to remove and eat. And that is how I make my wood-fire Wagyu Tomahawk with potatoes on the Pits and Spits Ultimate Smoker. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that. That is cooked perfect, medium rare. Smells amazing, so here we go. Oh. Great smoke flavor. I have to test the potato too. Yeah. That is pretty darn good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.